All right, so for all my business owner friends, today we're going to talk about optimizing your business, utilizing stock units to ultimately supercharge where your business is going. Let's take a look at why stock units are so powerful. Business owners may choose to issue stock units to their employees for several reasons. Number one, employee incentives. By issuing stock units, this can serve as a way to motivate and reward employees. It aligns their interests with that of the company's success. As the value of their stock units increase with the company's performance, their net worth increases as well. Retention and loyalty. Stock units can help retain talented employees by providing them with a sense of ownership and a long-term stake in the company's growth versus simply cash. Employee engagement. This gives employees a sense of involvement and engagement in the company's operation and success, and really the emotional tie to your business. Attracting top talent. Offering stock units can make a business more attractive to potential hires, especially in a competitive industry when Amazon, Facebook, and Google are also offering stock purchase programs to their employees. Shared financial success. By granting stock units, business owners can share the financial success of the company with their employees as the business grows. Aligning interests. Issuing the stock units creates a shared ownership mentality, helping align the company's long-term success as they have a vested interest in driving growth and profitability for your business. Tax advantages. Depending on the jurisdiction of your company, certain stock unit plans may offer tax advantages for both the business and the employees. A common example of these are employee stock ownership plans, or ESOPs. These offer the ability to issue stock units as part of the program, which can be potentially listed as a retirement benefit that's going to provide employees with that ownership stake and some tax incentives. This also can help business owners plan for their succession or exit. Hi, my name is Brandon Chapman. I'm a Canadian financial advisor. Make sure to follow and like this video for more financial education and literacy.